Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert or delete pages in a PDF file. So if you need to edit your PDF files quickly and easily, this tutorial will show you how you can insert or delete pages in a PDF file using WPS Office. So here, you can just open the WPS and open your PDF files. So for example, I'm going to open this PDF right here. Okay, so to start adding or deleting pages, you just need to click on the page options at the top. And in here, I have in total 13 pages here on my PDF. And if you want to delete certain pages here, you can see at the top there will be this option delete pages. You can just tap on this one and select the pages in here. So for example, I'm going to go delete the last pages. You can just tap on this and now you can tap on OK, and the page that I choose will be deleted. And if you want to insert pages in here, you can see at the top there's also this insert page option, so you can just click on this and you can choose to add a blank page or select from PDF. So let's just click on this blank page first. And in here you can adjust the page size, width, height, and everything. I'm going to just go insert to, let's say, first page. Tap on OK. And as you guys can see, a new blank page will be added. If you want to, you can also insert pages from PDF. So you can tap on select from PDF and then choose the page from the file from the existing PDF file. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on next tutorials. Bye!